Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Since Ramadan is here and everyone is looking for mouth-watering, delicious recipes for Iftar, so we decided to share a flavorful chicken pakora recipe. Let's get started. We will start with batter preparation. For that, take 1 cup of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of crushed chili, and 1 tablespoon of cumin and coriander crushed. For that, take half tablespoon of cumin, half tablespoon of coriander and crush it. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add salt as per your taste. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, or you can use a pinch of baking soda. Mix all of these ingredients together. Add half cup of water gradually as you mix. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Make sure to mix it nicely while you are adding these ingredients. Now add 1 pound of minced chicken. Mix the chicken with the batter. We will add more water, almost half a cup, to make it a little runny. Now set aside the batter for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, give it one last mix and then start frying. You can use a spoon to make the shapes while you add, or you can use any other tool that you like. Once they start to become golden, take them out. The delicious chicken pakoras are ready to be served. Enjoy this at your iftar time. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes for iftar and dinner. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit the bell icon so that you can receive our coming up videos as soon as we upload them. Thank you and goodbye.